Oh yeah, we got something. We got something. Hola amigos, ¿cómo estás? Hello my friends, how are you guys? Welcome to my beach condo tour here in Puerto Escondido, Mexico. I want to give you a little traveling trader lifestyle video for you guys, and I thought, you know what, let's start this off with a wonderful tour of my beach condo here in Puerto Escondido, Mexico. This place is $25 a night. It's absolutely amazing. I'm living like a king here. I'm gonna give you guys a tour. The beach, right over there. Some massive swell. If you're a surfer, this is the place that you want to be. There are some gigantic waves out there, I'm telling you. And if you're a beginner, this is a great place too, because they have separate beaches for beginners and intermediate. So when you first walk into my beachfront condo here, this is the workstation right here. All right, I'm trying to get me in the shots as well as show you guys the tour. This is the workstation where I set up in the morning and then later at night, because during the day it's extremely hot. I sweat my balls off here because there is no air conditioning. So this is where we do the trading right here. This is how we make the money. If you guys want to learn how to do it as well, check out the description. Traveling trading, you can take the 90-day trading challenge. Struggling trader to consistently profitable in under 90 days. That is the goal. So that is the workstation here, and if you come over here, oh well, we can't forget about this. We have a hammock here. This is where I like to check my social media, read up on the news for about an hour a day, sometime in the afternoon. I can just scooch right in there, have a nice glass of wine or something like that, or some tequila or whatever I'm feeling like, and usually eat lunch in that thing. So when we come over here, this is the kitchen. You know, everything's very close. It's very handy. You don't have to walk through 10 different rooms to finally get to the kitchen. This is the kitchen. We have a pretty standard stovetop right here. You just plug it into the wall and it heats up. We got pots and pans. We have a coffee maker. That's basically it. And then this is where I also do my laundry as well. And then after it's, if I want it to dry my laundry, I go up to the top of the roof and they have a clothes hanger for me, and I just dry my clothes on top of the hanger. This is where I do my dishes as well. And then if this bucket ever gets filled, I just huck the water over the balcony. Easy peasy, you know? So that's the tour outside. Let me give you guys a tour of the inside now. So here is the bedroom. This is where I sleep. It's a pretty rock solid bed. It's not very comfy, but you know what? I ain't complaining. This is a beautiful place and I still managed to catch a nice sleep. So that's basically where I sleep. We do have a nice little mosquito net, but there's no real mosquitoes here, so I don't really use it. And then the thing is, it's so damn hot in here that I have this fan going, and then I have this fan going. And if I have the mosquito net, it just blows the mosquito net everywhere. So I really don't sleep with it. I just sweat my balls off all night. So that's why I sit outside. That's my workstation. Now, we come over here, we go to the refrigerator, and you can see everything's very close to one another, which is very handy. We go into the refrigerator. I do a lot of my cooking here, and let me give you guys a little tour. We got some V8 juice. I am drinking right now a nice bottle of wine, and right now we are in Puerto Escondido, which is the state of Oaxaca, and they are famously known for mezcal, tequila. It's a form of tequila, but it's called mezcal. But I haven't really been into the mezcal lately. I've been drinking a lot of wine lately, to be honest, and this is what I'm drinking right now. It is called Trapiche. I have no idea. It's a white wine from Argentina. It is absolutely amazing. It tastes amazing when you put this in the fridge. So that's really what I've been drinking lately. I haven't been drinking any beer or tequila. I've been really on the wine drinking right now. So this is what I have my wine in. It's kind of a nice glass. You know, it's something that you would put like scotch or bourbon inside, but it's a nice little wine glass. Absolutely amazing. What else we got in here? We got some chicken. I get this from the Chediraris, which is like the Walmart of Mexico. 88 pesos, about $4.50 for a full chicken. So I definitely pick that up every 2 days. And then I want to do some fishing here. You know, we're on the ocean. You guys know I love doing my fishing here with my bottle. So I did pick up some shrimp here. We're gonna chop up 1 or 2 of those and see if we can catch anything while we go fishing here. And that's it in the fridge. We got some nice orange juice with some cactus and celery. It's very good stuff. I usually make a smoothie with it because I have fruits in the other part of the fridge. So that's the refrigerator. Let me continue on here. Let's go to the bathroom. Go to the bathroom, pretty simple. Nice little bathroom. We got a toilet, we got a shower, we got the mirror, and the sink. So pretty standard bathroom, a little small, but it's perfect. I'm living like a king out here, you know? And we come over here, and I usually set up my workstation over here when the lights go out, when the sun goes down, you know, and so if the mosquitoes are outside, I come in here, and this is usually where I set out here. But the problem is it's so damn hot in here during the day that I just basically sit outside the entire time. But yeah, that is my tour of my $25 a night beach condo here in Puerto Escondido. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's go back outside. Now, I'm gonna show you guys a little day in the life of me. I'm gonna go to the gym, maybe do some fishing, and we'll catch you later in the video, all right? Let's get it, baby. Okay, we're here on the seawall. This looks like a good spot to try some fishing. What do you guys think? The seawall wraps around kind of the outskirts of Puerto Escondido for about 1 kilometer, and there's some nice places. These guys got their own little beach condo right here, living on the beach. And this goes all the way around and then over there too. So this looks kind of rough. I don't know if I'll catch anything, but I'm gonna cast a line here and we'll keep you updated. All right, let's get it. Oh, by the way, got my teeth cleaned. I went to the dentist here. Spent 800 pesos. That's a hell of a deal. In Canada, to clean your teeth, it's like 160 bucks, and so I just spent 50 bucks, 1/3 of the cost to get my teeth cleaned. And they were great. They said, yeah, they look good. Come back whenever you want. I said, okay, sounds great. If you're going to get dental work, Mexico is a great place. I've met many people. Check out this, huh? I met many people that come to Mexico just to get their dental done. The bill that they quote them in America is like 20,000 to do their whole grill or something like that. 5,000, 6,000. They come to Mexico and they spend like 300, 400, 500 bucks and they get everything that they wanted done in Mexico. And actually a lot of the dentists actually live in Mexico. So they're trained, they went to school in America and they were trained in America, but then they moved to Mexico just because they want a better lifestyle, which is awesome. All right, let's do some fishing. All right, we got the bottle right here. Let me take this out. Got the hook, got the weight, and then I also got a knife in case I need it. So hopefully police don't come because, to be honest, this place is supposed to be on lockdown and it's mask mandates and they got the beaches closed, which makes absolutely zero sense. They keep 2 out of the 3 beaches open, but they close the biggest one. It makes absolutely no sense, but they jam everybody into one small beach. I don't understand it, but a lot of people are pissed off. So for bait today, we got shrimp. I find the most success with shrimp so far in my fishing journey here in Mexico. So we're gonna throw this on the line like that. I'm getting wet out here from the waves. Yeah, let's cast this line. Hold up. Ladies and gentlemen, we caught something. Holy shit. Ladies and gentlemen, we caught something. Holy crap, that was so quick. That was first try. Check it out. Let's go. Wow, that is beautiful. Check out the fish. I have no idea what fish this is. I have no idea. It could kill me for all I know. Check it out. Beautiful. You see that? Got the line out. That's the fish. go, baby. We catching fish, baby. Man, that's awesome. How do I do it, baby? How do I do it? Everywhere I go, I catch, baby. I am the greatest fisherman. Actually, there's a lot of crabs here. Like, pretty good sized crabs. Let me show you guys this. Let me flip the camera around. Hold up. Right here, we can see them all right there. See them? Wow, look at that, eh? You guys are pretty big. All right, we are gonna try again. See what we can catch. See if we can catch a different fish this time. Got the shrimp on the line, and there's our weight. Let's get this. Woohoo! We got something, we got it. Woo! Let's go! Check out that. It's a monster. Look at that, baby. Oh shit. The line just broke. Yeah. Oh, well, look at that. The line broke, but I still got my hook, so I just have to throw it back. Hold on. I gotta show you guys this. This is awesome. I can show you guys like this. Check that out. Beautiful. What kind of fish is that? A rockfish? I have no idea. All right. Woo, that was awesome. Man, this is beautiful. This little sea walk, check it out. Wraps around, it's about 1 kilometer around. I'm getting wet out here. This is awesome, beautiful. Gotta love Puerto Escondido, man. It's a great city. It's just a shame that, you know, the joke of the century, you know, 2 weeks to flatten the curve. Woohoo, joke of the century right there. It's hilarious, isn't it? All right, before I end this, I just really want to quickly answer a question that I get a lot of the time is how many hours do I look at the charts during the day? And to be honest, I look at average maybe 3 to 4 hours in the morning. That's usually my work time. And then in the mid-after day, around like 11 to 12 till about 5 p.m., I just can't work. That's when I like going out and doing my own thing, going for adventures, going to the gym, you know. But then after 5, I'd say around 7 or 8 p.m., I do like an hour to 2 hours of charting and replying to anybody on social media. But understand I'm running like 2 other businesses, right? So I do spend more hours in front of the charts and on the computer trying to grow those things instead of just trading, you know what I mean? So if I wasn't doing that, I would probably be spending like 3-4 hours anyways in general, but it's fun. I love it, man. Do my work in the morning, early morning, take the whole rest of the afternoon off, and then come back and just look at the computer for an hour to 2 hours. Oh, this guy's scuba diving. Let me flip this. Oh, there he is. That's awesome. Waves to me. That's awesome, man. Let's flip the camera around, give you guys a little view of what I'm looking at as I walk by. But yeah, in general, I don't think you have to be looking at the computer for 12 hours a day. I mean, guys, we're getting into trading for what? Whoops. We get into trading to create a second stream of income or a first stream of income, right? Holy smokes, you can see how crazy this is. Not a good place if you're drinking, you know what I mean? But in general, you know, we get into trading to get back our freedom. And, you know, especially over the last 5 years and the last 2 years, a lot of people have been looking for second streams of income and first streams of income because they realize, you know, they don't want to be working a 9-to-5 job anymore. And I think that's awesome. You shouldn't be working a 9-to-5 job at all. You're gonna spend your whole life going to a 9-to-5, getting the grind, and you know, it's just not for me and it's not for everybody. Some people just want to spend more time with their family, their kids. Some people want to travel the world, and that's what trading can do for you. It gives you the opportunity to do whatever you want and be your own boss. How the hell do I get up here now? Okay, so I gotta climb this rock. All right, I think we're gonna end the video there, man. This was a fantastic video to make. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. So if you guys like the video, comment, like, subscribe. If you have any questions, please let me know down below. If you guys want to become part of the Moneyball trading group, where we take struggling traders or brand new traders to consistently profitable in under 90 days or less. All right, guys, have a great time. Cheers, everybody. Bye-bye.